think you stole mine.
Oh no, you didn't. Teresa!
No, my dolly!
It's on to me! Ah! Ooh, ooh, ooh. Paper, read. Look up. Do you have your lines memorized? Do you have them memorized?
Yes.
Say them.
Whatever you do, do not go. Wait. Oh, okay. Stay away from the lake. Got it. Whatever you do.
Creek.
Exactly.
That sounded delicious.
That sounded delicious.
Miss Jordan said that during class when someone like snorted, and then she's like, "That was delicious." And I'm like, Jordan.
Stay still. You can go now.
Whatever. Whatever you do, stay away from the lake. It's deep and dark and dangerous.
What was that?
You're gonna go. What did you do with Emma? Okay.
What did you do with Emma?
No. What's going on? Like, ah. You have to. Ah. What are you doing?
What have you done with Sissy?
It's a car. Oh my God! Everyone hide!
Hide! I'm natural.
That's natural.
I know, right?
No, my pencil.
Okay.
It's too much.
Put it in your pocket and let's.
Okay, not like a panicked rabbit. Anger.
Like in this crowd, Hulk impersonation. Okay, get back in your spot.
I'm the Hulk.
No, what's my sport? No,
That's good, that's good, that's good.
Okay, but no.
What have you done with Sissy? Okay, hurry.
Of course, I went barefoot.
Ava.
Yeah.
Places, please.
I think I should take my sweater off.
Got to be kidding me. No, I'm not kidding you.
Cold.
Pour 'em under.
Hi.
Wet onto the trailer. Just be like that.
Yeah, just down. Down.
She's your makeup
I
artist.
made you blind.
I'm blind. Take your head up. No, again. Your hair looks better. See, try. Try going like.
Ah, my neck.
And murmur like, you know. Can you hear that? Yes, we can.
Okay, so. Why are you laughing? I have no idea. I have to get it out of my system. You need to get it out of your stomach? My system.
Okay.
Oh no, I'm just like.
I heard stomach. I'm like, you need to get laughter out of your stomach. We're not creepy. We're just unnormal.
They're gone.
They went that way.
Okay, let's go.
What was that way? Oh, that.
Haley. Redo.
Right. No, I don't want to. I don't want to.
That was a fail.
Oh my gosh, she's like.
That was a fail. Samantha failed.
How do I fail?
Smiled too.
Hit to the stick. It's filming.
Ah, no, I don't. Oh my gosh, I almost fell down.
Okay.
Try again.